G'day, Carl here, Truck Trader Deal of the Day. Here we are today at Turners Trucks and Machinery at 57 Lunds Road in Middleton, Christchurch. Right, today we are looking at a 2004 Steelbro SBSS 343F side lifter. This tri-set semi is fitted with York axles and runs Alcoa alloy 22.5 rims as duals, with the rear axle set being a self-steerer. This trailer is the versatile 20-foot, 40-foot combination version of the Steelbro side lifter, and with a tier weight of just a touch over 11 tonne, there is plenty of room for payload. The unit is in good to average condition, with all the tyres in good condition. The trailer is running a current COF, and it presents a savvy operator an option ready for the road at a fraction of the new replacement cost. So for more details on this unit, check out the listing details here, or give the team here at Turners Trucks and Machinery in Christchurch a call right now to arrange a viewing and a test drive. Thanks for calling by to look at the listing, and until next time, safe roads.